It's Sunday morning and I'm dreaming of my next European vacation. While I can't just snap my fingers and land in the south of France, I can get a taste of the Côte d'Azur right here in Pasadena. Posh and a Pinch is all about discovering little escapes close to home. Today, I'm bringing you to one of my favorite spots in Pasadena, Oh La La Bakery. A little slice of Provence without the flight. And trust me, the croissants are worth it. As soon as you step inside Oh La La, you're transported to the south of France. This bakery isn't just about food, it's about legacy. The owner is a third-generation French chef bringing recipes that are over 100 years old to SoCal, with flour imported straight from the south of France and even yeast that's been nurtured for 50 years. It's a little taste of history right here in Pasadena. I keep coming back because the breakfast and brunch items are magnifique. Every pastry in this case is a tiny temptation, the kind that makes you want to order one of everything. Purely for research purposes, of course. So whether you're craving a lazy brunch, a quick pastry fix, or a cozy French dinner, Oh La La has got you covered. Posh and a Pinch is about finding little ways to bring the world to your doorstep. And this place, as close to Provence as you can get without getting on a flight. Unless, of course, you do want to get on a flight, in which case, call me. I'll pack a bag.